Hi, music makers. I'm Gary Hipner, and welcome to this course. In this series, we're going to take a look at sound design for TV, film, and games. And this will cover creating sounds and sound effects to sync up with visuals and adding music to help heighten the dynamics and intensity with the visual. Writing to a visual comes with its own challenges, like syncing up sounds and finding the right sounds and music that imparts a mood for the visual. So, in the series, we'll take a look at how to work on these and how to get the best results of working to video. The key components are going to be working with your DAW's timeline and matching this up with the video. Like, what type of tempo do you need for your music? And what type of sounds can accompany this? And how are they all going to fit together? So, I have this short video that I want to work through in the series, and I want to show you how I came up with the sounds for it. And by following along with me, you'll see how it all works and have a better idea when you start designing your own sounds or visuals. So let me first show you the video I'm working to and what sounds I came up with. This is a stock video that I grabbed from VideoHive. If you do need some footage to work to build up your portfolio, definitely take a look at these types of stock library sites. Or even better, if you've got a friend who works with video, ask them if they need any sounds for their video. So it's a win-win. They get music for their video, and you get video footage to put your music to. But let's get back to this video. What I liked about this video is it has lots of moving parts and mechanical items to it. And these things are just going to have very cool sound effects that can be designed to go over each section. So let me just play through this video. I just want to mute all the sounds and you can see what it looks like. Cool. So like I mentioned, it's got a lot of mechanical items and moving parts and big hits. And these are just going to be very cool to add some awesome sound effects to. Now, I know this is only a sort of 10-second video, but the same steps I cover in this series can be applied to any visuals you compose to, be it a 5-second video all the way to 2-hour-long films. But what's important is how I want to show you how to work to video within a DAW and how important time is in the whole scenario. So it'll be helpful to have some audio editing, sound design, and music production skills for this series. I'm not going to go super deep into this. You can find some other series on Groove 3 that cover this, just to help you along with the series. But I'm going to dive into sound design with some music, but more specifically, how it accompanies video. Now let me give you a quick teaser on what we're going to accomplish with this video. First, we're going to focus on the sound design or sound effects. So I'm going to unmute these and play this through just so you can see what type of sounds are going to accompany this. Awesome. So there's just a lot of mechanical parts, some things whooshing in, some big hits, and it's just a really interesting combination of sound effects and sound design. Then there's the music that accompanies it. Let me play through just the music and mute the sound effects. Awesome. So that sort of music piece or music theme has just been designed to give it a mood and some dynamics and emotion. And now let's hear everything together. So this is the music plus the sound effects. Very cool. So that's showing you how you go from a silent visual all the way up to the end piece where you have all these sounds syncing up with the video, giving you this sort of atmosphere and this mood. So let's jump in and start first by importing the video into your DAW.